86 Cowles update video. We got the exterior all painted. It's really looking good. Be done with this one next week. It'll be ready to rent in Bedford, Ohio. If you want to find a house in Bedford, Ohio, this is your house. Nice big cement driveway. We got a nice yard. It's got central air. It's a 3-bedroom, 1 bath. Near downtown Bedford, but it's a nice quiet street. Let's go inside. So here's a new paint, all done, all white, nice. We're going to be we'll poly the floors. You see how nice they look? Look at that, they shine like a diamond. New, it's got new lights. Very, very nice house. These are large bedrooms, color switches, lights. We re-epoxied the shower, it looks brand new. New toilet, new vanity. That'll be the new lights. There's your mirror, all new door hardware. Everything's nice. Let's go upstairs. This property's been in our system for about 5, 6 years. It's a nice property. So we put the luxury vinyl up here. All the new lights are supposed to be up here. It's just a nice place. You have a little cubby here if you want to have an office, whatever you want. Again, all paint, plug, switches, lights. We actually put some luxury vinyl on this. Here's all this. Well, this got done, it's poly. It's really nice. You can see we put poly over the paint so it doesn't chip. The heater's been redone, serviced, air conditioner serviced. You have a nice little area right here which we're going to be putting some new stuff in, lights. But you can make this, entertainment room, whatever you want, but it'll have all new lights, and it's gonna look really good. So this is the end of your video, but we'll have the final next week. Pretty excited about it. I'm Brett, Key Realty, 216-703-5740. Better properties, exceptional results. And again, this is going to be done next week. We're going to actually spray this too. So we decided to do that. Here's the 30-inch vanity we put in the bathroom. Thanks. Check out my websites below.